Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm here with the flip through for my Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge, the Paper Terrace Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge. And so I have 16 items that I used for this journal from the Dollar Tree, along with a variety of glue, and I did use my sew machine. And I used the thread that was left over from my sew machine. And I used a stencil. Okay, so that is what I used. There's several videos of me making this journal. And so you can find the link to the playlist for that down below, as well as the link to the playlist for Paper Terrace DTJJC. Okay, DT. Paper Terrace DTJJC. Okay, so it is a 9x6 journal. I used the cover of a calendar book to make it. It is a soft cover. I did do a 5-hole pamphlet stitch, and then I still got glue on my fingers. I covered it with the burlap and lace that you'll see I used throughout the journal. I took the lace off. This is the ribbon that I used. I used a set of stickers, these cards, a package of tissue that had 4 different kinds of tissue in it, and this blue fabric. I got everything from Dollar Tree. I also used a 6x6 paper pad and a package of napkins, these heart note cards, and some stickers and some tea. Okay, and then a thing of note papers. This is the tissue. So I have from my package of note cards, so I had this, and you'll see I used that throughout the journal. And this is from the tea bag, from the fabric, from the napkin, and some of the white paper that I had chosen to use. Okay, the note paper from the metal sticker sheet. This is from the other sticker sheet, and I had a book that had these gray dot papers, and I did use purple distressing ink. So this is napkin covered paper. Over here, this is from the outside when I cut it from my cover, and it had the edge on it, so I put that on. I also used some computer paper, and then this was from the calendar, and so I kept it and used it in here, but I thought we probably want to cover up the information. Here's one of those, the cards, the note paper on the gray dot paper. So this is one of the clusters that I had made. This is the 3 envelope accordion pockets. So they open like this, and they just have a white note card in there. And I used that sticker as a stopper. Folded this page up. This is the actual packaging for those. The other cool thing is this journal does come with this pen. Okay, it came with this note paper, so we do get that. This was one of the stickers that I made out of the tea bag, and then I layered on top of the tea bag. This is the stencil that I used. This is my dauber. It's dying. Okay, and so I did polka dots. This is the flap of an envelope, and we've used it for a double tuck. More of the napkin paper and a napkin ruffle with some of the fabric on it. This is what my dauber was doing. Looks like curly hair. This is the note paper underneath a piece of tissue. This is a Franken tag made with all those little note papers, and the other side is the large note paper. And then I have an an envelope, and I've attached some of the gray paper, and then we have this, the envelope on this side with a little card and a little card. And I used some of the note papers and a scrap that I had to make a little waterfall for that page to give us some more fun. You'll see I've distressed a lot of this journal with that paper. So the other side of this calendar has paper, has napkin on it. This side is a flip-flop. So this is the flip-flop flap. And then you open it and you open it. And because we use the flip-flop fold, okay, that's the flip-flop fold, we have more journaling space. And there's one of those computer papers. So this is the back of one of the cards. Some of the gray paper, one of the stickers from the sticker sheet tee, and some of the lace, and the blue fabric. I did several boards that were, it was the white paper that I had. I added the tissue and the napkins in a variety of ways, and this one I went ahead and made a beautiful tag topper out of the card. There's some of the sticker. This is tea bag coming down the edge here. And we have a tuck. Okay, so it's tuck with a mystery. The mystery is it's got more journaling space right there. Went ahead and made a pocket out of this heart. It's got a couple of the cards in it. We have the stencil and then lined paper that I made with the ink. This is a large one of those tags, and I folded it so that it would fit nicely in that pocket. Added some of the napkin here, sticker, some more of from the outside of the cover, some more of the napkin. We have a little waterfall out of one of the this is one of the from the note paper. And this is one of the clusters, okay, on the collage or calendar. We have a little note paper, note card, and a matchbook note card here. Okay, this was the negative from the sticker, and I put it on some napkin, and then I've glued it down. Got some more tea bag here. We have a tea bag waterfall flip. This is the center of the signature. There's the lines that we did on one of the videos showing you how to do the lines with the ink. And then on this side we used the dauber and did the dots. This is the waterfall, and what I did was there is a place here that a note paper could go in there, and then this is trifold and one of the masterboard pieces. Okay, pocket, and that's the 6x6 paper cut down to fit on there. And another one of the stickers from the metal sticker sheet. And another one of these. Also, this was from one of the master boards. Okay. This was one of the stack of stickers I made out of, I used double-sided tape and the tea bag, and had this ready so that when the journal was almost finished, I could go through and add them into places that needed some color. I went ahead and used glue to ruffle the napkin right onto the edge there. This is our hidden journaling card, and I used the card and the envelope, and this is the inside of our card, and it just goes together like that. And you might not even know that that bottom will pull off. We also have this and a note paper underneath. We have the stenciling behind and the lines. This was packaging, and this was the packaging for the cards, and I went ahead and made a little topper for it. The back has the computer paper and some of the tissue, the ribbon, the lace from the burlap and lace ribbon, some of the tissue, and one of the stickers from the sticker sheet. And this pocket here is one of the sticker sheet pockets. This is from the calendar. And then on this side, you can tell it's from the calendar. You can see the calendar pieces, and there's the burlap and lace with some of the fabric on top, and then the bird and the bird from the card. And then this is two of these note papers together, and it really wasn't thick enough, so I added part of the white part from a napkin. And you can go ahead. Our lights are blinking. That's like the third time. So yeah, so now we go, and over here I have a fourth time, another one of the cards, and this was made out of one of the master boards. And there's one, this one, the backing is the gray paper, and we also made that with the double-sided tape. Okay, we've got note paper behind both of those. You can write on this. This is tissue paper, but you can write on that. You got your lace napkin there, some from the napkin, and this is from the sticker, and this is from the metal sticker. There was a frame, and I was like, oh, I'll frame the flower. Okay, and this is where I put the note paper, the little heart note paper underneath the green tissue. Added the tea bag edges napkin. Got a little card here and another little tiny note card using one of the little tiny note papers. And this is an envelope, and up here in the envelope you have a tag. Okay, this is the negative of the little bird stamp, and we have this edge. And then this pocket, we did a flip up pocket. This is tissue, tea-dyed paper, napkin covered, and then two pieces that were leftovers from the 6x6 paper pad. This is tissue, and this is from the napkin. And then this is a piece that was laying over, and I went ahead and put this down because just the way it looks. And then this was another one of those double-sided tape things, and I added the number from the sticker and put it on there because, you know, nothing needs, everything is useful. We have a little tag card here. We have a little note here that's been put in with the flip-flop style note, and this is a tea bag and tissue. And our last page has the other packaging from the other sticker sheet and this tag. So yeah, so there's 60 pages, front and back, large and small, in this journal. And it is available now in the Dear Julie Julie Etsy shop. It is fully decorated, and it was a lot of fun. And so thank you to Jessica for the Paper Terrace challenge. It was a lot of fun. I did this challenge with her once before, about 6 years ago. And so yeah, there we go. We have, it's a nice feeling, nice size journal. And I don't know if I showed you what it looks like from the side. So that's what it looks like from the side. So there we go. Find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.